Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here today. You're going to need pony beads, a needle, scissors, a lighter, and a long piece of string. And we're going to start off with this pattern here. So I started by putting one pink bead, two clear, orange, and so on. And then you're going to want, and then I tied it to make it a single bracelet. And then you should have a long piece of string attached with a needle. And what I did was, here my knot was over here, and then I took my needle through the orange bead. So we're going to start through this orange bead. You're going to put on an orange, a clear, and a yellow, and we're going to go through the yellow. We're going to add a yellow, a clear, and a green, and we're going to go through the green. We're going to add a green, a clear, and a blue, and we're going to go through the blue. We're going to add a blue, a clear, and a purple, and we're going to go through the purple. We're going to add a purple, a clear, and a blue, and we're going to go through this blue. We're going to add a blue, a clear, and a green, and we're going to go through this green. We're going to add a green, a clear, and a yellow, and we're going to go through this yellow. We're going to add a yellow, a clear, and an orange, and we're going to go through this orange. We're going to add an orange, a clear, a pink, and we're going to go through this pink. We're going to add a pink, a clear, and an orange, and we're going to go through both of these orange beads and this clear to start our next row. Okay, for our next row, we're going to use all 3 yellow, and then the next color is green, so we're going to use 3 green, we're going to use 3 blue. Oh, and I'm sorry, we're going through this middle clear for this row. So we're going through the clear. We're going to add 3 purple, and we're going to go through this clear. We're going to add 3 blue, and we're going to go through this clear. We're going to add 3 green, and we're going to go through this clear. We're going to add 3 yellow, and we're going to go through this clear. We're going to add 3 orange, and we're going to go through this clear. We're going to add 3 pink, and we're going to go through this clear. We're going to add 3 orange, and we're going to go through this clear and these 2 yellow to start the next row, or I should say the last row. But if you want to make this wider, you'll just keep adding 3 instead of 2, because the next layer we're gonna use 2. But if you wanted to keep going, you would add yellow, clear, and green. Okay, so we're adding 2 clear, and we're going to go through the green. So this last row is all clear. And then we're going to go through the middle bead. Going through that middle purple. Always putting on 2 clear and going through the middle. So we're going through this middle blue. The middle green. The middle yellow. The middle orange. The middle pink. The middle orange. And the middle yellow. And I'm going to go up 1 clear, and then we can tie this off. I like to tie it a few times. Oh, it got caught on me. There we go. All right. There's our cuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.